Good evening. I am Reiki Master Teacher Shoma Pathak. Today I will tell you about what is Reiki healing and what are its benefits. What is Reiki healing? Reiki is a Japanese word for the cosmic healing energy. It is a very simple yet a powerful technique that can be learned and practiced by everyone. It has been successfully tapped and practiced not only in the spiritual aspects of life but is also known to bestow the world of medical science with results that are thrilling, astounding, and phenomenal. Reiki healing is very much beneficial. Reiki is a Japanese technique by laying on hands for stress reduction and relaxation that also promotes healing. Reiki treats the whole person, including body and emotions, mind, and spirit. Reiki creates many beneficial effects for human beings all ages like relaxation, peacefulness, security, and well being. Reiki also activates the self regulation forces by balancing the chakra energy centers. Reiki has nothing to do with spiritualism or the occult and is compatible with all religions, beliefs, nationalities, race, color, or creed and is entirely non judgmental. Now, what are the Reiki healing benefits? It promotes harmony and balance, creates deep relaxation, and helps the body release stress and tensions, dissolves energy blocks, and promotes natural balance between mind, body, and spirit, assists the body in cleansing itself from toxins, and supports the immune system, clears the mind and improves focus as you feel grounded and centered, aids better sleep, accelerates the body's self healing ability as you start to return to your natural state, helps relieve pain and supports the physical body healing, helps spiritual growth and emotional cleansing, complements medical treatment and other therapies also. Because whenever we use this Reiki healing with medicines and other therapies, it enhances that benefits of the therapies as well as the medicines also. So this is such a beneficial positive healing energy that can be uh, used by everyone. The main thing, a person should have two normal hands and have the normal behavior and normal common sense. This is the main priority or criteria to be a Reiki healer. And this energy brings spirituality in us, brings positivity in us, enhances all these, and we can easily, very easily, let go all types of negativities from us, from our body, mind, and soul also. So, learn Reiki to be positive, be healthy, be prosperous, and heal each and every uh, living thing, non living thing. Even we can heal our Mother Earth, any animals, birds, trees, even non living things, we can give healing. So, this is such a miraculous positive energy. Until and unless you will gain this, you will feel the blessings, you can't realize the positivity and realize the miraculous result of this energy. So, try to learn Reiki and enhance your lifestyle, enhance your positivity, enhance your spiritual growth, and be happy ever after. Thank you.